Epic and
Junior.
Epicflows.
Yeah. So Junior, your mother left me for babysitter. I hope you know if you behave, you know, because I'm not in the foolishness.
Me a good behaving boy, you know, Epic.
Alright, so you don't get no homework?
No.
Junior? So how your mother tell me say you get homework?
Oh, homework. Me think say if me own work, like you a look one job.
Oh boy. Take out the book.
I want the place value of 6 in 69.
Place value. Place value. You tell me what is the place value of the number?
But after me no know.
Junior, you don't pay attention in your class. Look on the question again, man. What is the place value?
Well, maybe Mummy know, cause Mummy boyfriend always asks for 69.
Epic and
Junior.
Epicflows.
Yeah.
But the place value of 6 in 69.
Place value. Place value.
Maybe Mummy know, cause Mummy boyfriend always asks for 69 and Mummy always tell him, look like you don't know your place.
Junior! Jesus Christ! Wait till the man come home, then you don't answer the one them. Cause this bigger than me.
Epic, me wanna know something. I wish part baby come from.
Junior!
Me don't know why me bother ask you. Me name Junior, me a schooler, teacher can, baby with the ruler, me like the cheese, with the bowler, nah suck back juice, like soda.
It's Radekal, yeah.
The Shark Who Wishes He Was a Dolphin, written and illustrated by Paul M. Bowen. I'm tired of this, said Mr. Shark. I'm tired of people being so mean to sharks. Sometimes I wish I was a dolphin. People are just so nice to dolphins. Mr. Shark was different from the other sharks. Instead of doing shark things every day, like hunting, Mr. Shark enjoyed doing tricks. He would practice doing tricks, like jumping out of the water and doing flips, jumping out of the water and quickly diving back in the water. He would practice all kinds of tricks. One day he decided he wanted to perform with the dolphins. To find out what happens next, purchase the book on Amazon.com.